G'day everybody, welcome back to Altus Barbecue. Now when you cook a good steak, you don't need any additional flavours. But one of my favourite flavours with steak has to be chimichurri. And I've been loving cooking some beef jerky recently. This is my recipe for beef jerky chimichurri. It's delicious. Stay tuned. Okay, so all of the ingredients are in the description of this video, but we're starting off with 1 cup of soy sauce, a squeeze of lime juice, half a cup of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and then we've got our spices. So we've got some chili, some garlic, of course we've got oregano, we've got parsley, all the delicious flavors that go into a great chimichurri. I don't overdo it with salt or pepper, purely because the soy sauce is quite salty anyway, and I prefer to use pink Himalayan salt. Honey is a necessity in good jerky in my opinion, so 1 tablespoon of that, it'll really give it that beautiful sweetness, and then give that a good stir. Once everything's mixed in well, that's your marinade done. Topside is a popular cut for beef jerky, purely because it's nice and lean. Now I buy this pre-cut from my local butcher, 6mm in thickness. It just makes my life a little bit easier. Trim that into manageable sized pieces and make sure that every single slice gets a real good covering of that marinade. It is super important that every slice of beef is infused with all those flavors. You'll get best results, trust me. So in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, that's all the preparation done. Very simple. All right, now it's time to leave that jerky in the fridge for around 20 to 24 hours. The next day, your beef would have turned darker because of all that beautiful marinade. It's time to get this onto your racks and into the smoker. So I'm going to preheat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. These baking racks are absolutely perfect for beef jerky. You get good coverage and you also maximize the amount of space that you've got available in your smoker. With these being stackable, I can get just about 4 into my smoker. Lay your jerky out, and if possible, make sure there's a small gap between each piece of meat, purely so that smoke can rotate around the smoker better. Once that's done, just simply transfer this across over to your smoker and throw it in. I like to smoke this approximately for 90 to 120 minutes. Get to know your smoker as well, because every smoker will have hot parts and cool parts. Just rotate that around if you've got as much as I do today. Once I finish smoking, I'm going to be finishing off the jerky in my dehydrators. After 2 hours, I've taken on as much smoke as I want. 90 minutes is absolutely fine. You just don't want to overcook it in your smoker. So this jerky won't be done at all, but the dehydrator will just slow the process down a little bit. I like to cut the jerky up into bite-sized pieces. So 50 degrees Celsius, how much longer you need is really going to vary depending on the jerky itself. Some pieces may need an hour and some may need up to 3 hours, but you're looking for that perfect jerky where when you bend it, it bends nicely if it doesn't break. Once it's all done, you're left with something like this. Good jerky will always bend nicely with those fibers coming through, but it won't actually break. That's a perfect piece there. This is absolutely goddamn delicious. Let's dig in and give it the taste test. That jerky has great color and great flavor. All right, so there is a little bit of a process when it comes to making your own jerky. The overnight marinating process, the smoking, and then the dehydration, but the results are well and truly worth it. Bit beautifully, so tasty. Got a little bit of chili, some garlic, and just a hint of vinegar. It's so good, guys. Give this a try. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. We sell this locally. Give it a go, guys, if you want to cook it yourself. So goddamn delicious. Thanks for watching. So if you love your jerky and you like a little bit of chimichurri with your steak every now and again, try this jerky. It's delicious. AJ and I, we make this, so if anyone does want any and live local, give us a shout and we'll hook you up.